Great salesperson you just hired? Turns out, not so great. Not everyone who interviews well can actually close deals. And when a sales hire doesn't perform, the lost opportunities will really add up. Our sales aptitude tests will show true sales potential before you make a job offer. They cover traits like achievement drive, persistence, and reliability, all of which have been proven to drive sales success. The dashboard keeps your process smooth. You can assign tests quickly and see detailed results at a glance, all from one simple centralized view. And the score reports dig deep. They show not just who wants to sell, but who's likely to succeed long-term. Plus, it gives follow-up interview questions based on their score. Flexible per-test pricing in blocks means it won't crush your budget. Use tests when you need them. No contracts, no hidden fees. Making the wrong sales hire costs more than just salary. It's lost opportunities and lost time. Start testing today and build a sales team that really delivers.